Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today we will be learning how to reset your forgotten passcode on YouTube Kids. So in order to do that, first of all, launch the YouTube Kids app open on your device. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your passcode or to solve a simple math problem. If you set passcode as a parent, then you will need to type in your passcode in order to get to the settings option. If you don't remember the passcode, tap the forgotten passcode button at the very bottom in the pop-up. Now to reset your passcode, you'll need to uninstall your YouTube Kids app and reinstall it again. Remember that while uninstalling the app, you'll lose any recommended videos. Simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the application and you will be asked to enter the Google account's password that was used to set up the YouTube Kids app. Make sure you have the access to that account and that way you will also be able to fix your passcode by choosing a new one. So that is what you can do whenever you've forgotten your passcode on YouTube Kids. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube Kids tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.